Good morning to all of you. Good morning, as it is 4th of August 2020, class 11th, subject economics. Our today's topic is standard deviation, its merits and demerits. Previously, we learned about dispersion or range. Then it is kind of like relative measures of dispersion and absolute measures of dispersion. And today, one of the subtopic of dispersion is standard deviation. Now, let us try to know the meaning of standard deviation. Various statisticians have defined it in different ways. So far as Spaghi is concerned, Spaghi is one of the statisticians. He defines standard deviation as it is the square root of the arithmetic mean. It is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the deviations of items from their arithmetic mean. What is standard deviation? It is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the deviations of the items from their arithmetic mean. It is what is called standard deviation. Okay, then we have to be well aware about its significance or its usage in calculation of statistical data. So far as its merits are concerned, it is dependent on all values of the items or series. What is its first merit? That it is dependent on all values of the series. Means the value of series should be dependent, they should be interlinked. Only then we can make use of this method. It is the best measure of dispersion. What's standard deviation? It is the best measure of dispersion. And third, this is the clear measure of dispersion. Second is this is the best measure and this is the clear measure of dispersion. Then this method has certain drawbacks or demerits. First, its process is very difficult. So far as standard deviation is concerned, it is not used everywhere. Its process is very complicated, very difficult. So we, while making use of this, we ought to take various things into consideration. Number first. Number second, it is calculated by mean, so it is affected by extreme value. It is calculated by mean. Since so far as its definition is concerned, it is the square root of the mean, so it is calculated by mean, so it is affected by extreme values. Okay, then it is not calculated for every series. We cannot make use of this method in calculating data or in making you in knowing about range, coefficient of correlation, etc. But we have to be very precise, we have to be very cautious while making use of this method. So in short, we can say that standard deviation, it is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the deviations of items from their arithmetic mean, and then its merits and demerits. So this much is enough for